plastic. So that's why ginawa nilang ganito para hindi rin masira yung mismong peg. Super nice design. Alright, so start tayo dito kay Charmander. Meron siyang manual and cards. So yung card nila dito magkakaiba. Uh, Meron ditong ganda lang no. Ganda ng pagkakalaminate. You have the Charmander, fire, tapos ito landscape, ito portrait, tapos itong kay Sprigatito, landscape din. Hindi ko alam kung difference nito pero halos pareho lang. Classic version SD naman to. I think Classic Edition CVS, Classic version SD na ata itong isa eh. Pero Prologue of Adventure yung nakalagay. This is legit guys ha. Original to mga moms. Hindi siya fake, hindi siya KO, hindi siya bootleg, okay? Okay, this is Charmander. Look at ganda ng kanyang head. Look at the hands. And articulated din to mga ma'am sir. Tapos meron siyang rocks. Yung rocks dito para siyang maroon. And also ang ganda rin nung modular siya. Pwede nyo ikabit kung saang slot nyo gustong ikabit dun sa base. Okay? So ayan, natatanggal to. Okay? Tapos modular yan. Ang daming mga holes din. Okay? And then here's Charmander. Super nice. You have the tail. Translucent din yung effect part. Tapos you have the feet. Tapos may legs din siya. Fa- Parang medium body. Very nice. Very cute design. You also have the small arms na articulated din. Okay. For articulation, head can look up, down. Oh, bababa din pala yung ano niya, yung mouth niya. Okay. 360. Tapos, arms can move up and down, rotate. Tapos, ball joint naman yun eh. So, nice. Pwede pa mag-kick and back. Pwede rin, I think pwede rin rotate yung kanyang tail. And then pwede rin ma-rotate yung fire effect sa likod. Tapos ito, modular to, and daming holes. So, modular tong part na to. Tapos ito, pwede mo rin igalaw. Pwede mo rin i-twist yung fire effect. That's very nice. Teka, balik lang natin to. Okay, dito naman tayo kay Piplup or Piplup. Ganda ng ice effect niya. Ice gem effect. Look at that. Crystals. Ice crystal effect. Tapos, this is Piplup. Very nice, very small. This is smaller than Piplup is smaller than Charmander. Small yung build niya. Penguin, I think penguin siya. Tapos, meron siyang yellow beak, glossy yung beak niya. Tapos, ito, satin. And then,